Introducing MOTOTRBO Capacity Max. This high-performance communication network uses centralized control and optimized traffic routing to provide DMR Tier 3 standard trunking, plus additional advanced MOTOTRBO functionality. Now you can connect your staff with secure, reliable communications, helping boost efficiency, increase productivity, and enhance safety for your employees and customers. Capacity Max's flexible, scalable architecture can connect up to 750 facilities with up to 29 voice and data channels per site, plus an additional 12 dedicated data channels per site for intensive text and data use, such as GPS, SCADA, and alarm management. Advanced system management tools provide control of the system infrastructure, devices, and top groups, and remote monitoring and over-the-air programming makes centralized control quicker and easier. Your network can be built to be fault-tolerant with multiple levels of resiliency. Optional redundant controllers, switches, and repeaters, plus the ability to provision a second control channel per site, helps ensure there will be no single point of trunking failure. Capacity Max is highly secure with encrypted voice and data, plus device authentication to protect your communications. If a radio is lost or stolen, remote enable and disable can prevent unauthorized access to the system. To help keep your system operating at peak performance, Motorola Solutions offers a range of service packages, including hardware repair, software upgrades, technical support, and more. And MOTOTRBO is part of the Motorola Solutions safety and security ecosystem that connects technologies to protect people, property, and places. When you need to coordinate your staff to get the job done efficiently, you can count on MOTOTRBO Capacity Max for flexible deployment, effective operation, and rock-solid reliability.